In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an Amazon individual seller account. Registering to sell on Amazon is straightforward and can be completed in under an hour. To streamline the process, have the following documents and information ready. Your legal name is private, but your business name will be visible to customers. Government-issued ID. Prepare any form of ID issued by your government for verification. Consider using a separate email address for your Amazon business and ensure you have a working phone number for verification. If different from your business address, provide ship from address. And finally, Amazon will transfer your sales proceeds this to account, so you gotta provide the bank account information. To create an Amazon individual seller account, follow these steps. Go to Amazon Seller Central. Click on Sign Up for Individual to log in the registration process. Enter your email address and create a password for your account. Fill in the required details about your business, including your legal name, address, and contact information, and select a unique display name for your seller account. Submit necessary documents such as government-issued ID or utility bill for verification, and provide your bank account details for Amazon to deposit your earnings. Finish the registration process and wait for Amazon to verify your information. And once verified, you can begin listing your products and selling on Amazon as an individual seller. All you have to do is find a good source for your products and then list them on your Amazon seller account to start easily selling on Amazon. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.